Bad Boys Salsa, 48 counts, 2 walls, phrase intermediate. Wait on the left. Part A, total 32 counts. Section 1, stomp right forward, 3 bounce, making half turn, bounce, bounce, bounce. Wait on the right. 3 back, left, right, left. Point right back or kick back. Section 2, step, lock, step, left, step, lock, step. 3 chucks, making half turn, chuck, chuck, chuck. Step on the left. Now open body to the left diagonal. Section 3, forward on right, quarter diamond with hitch. Cross 1 8 side, 1 8 behind, hitch. Now facing 730. 1 8 behind, side cross, facing 6. Side behind, side cross. Point left to the side and flick. Section 4, 2 border fogels. Left samba, right samba. Forward pivot half, back to 12. Forward hitch. End of part A. Part B, salsa, total 16 counts. Part B, section 1. Forward mambo hold, back mambo hold, side mambo cross, side mambo cross. B, section 2. Point across, point side, forward. Point across, point side, forward. Forward pivot half turn, facing 6. Full turn, half, half. End of part B. Count. Part A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
5 and 6 and 7, 8.
1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count B.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.